Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing our September Boxycharm unboxings. So I have my Luxe and Premium. I'm not sure which is which yet, but we'll find out. So we have one of the big ones here, and then we have this longer shaped box, which is a new shape. So I'm guessing there's something longer in there. We're going to open these today and see what we got, and as always I will have at the end the prices of each box, so if you're interested in subscribing you'll know what we paid versus the value of what we got. This one is premium, I think, because I saw where the postcard or the card that they put in there was different for the Luxe boxes now, to where they're more like a seasonal card. This one is the Boxycharm behind the scenes, I guess is what it means, BTS. The first thing I see here is the Lorac Luxe Diamond Eye Gloss Trio in Sunset. So it looks like some pretty like glitters for your eyes, and they're kind of holographic or dual chrome. Says it's a beautifully curated trio in shades inspired by the radiant colors of an oceanside sunrise. The liquid gel cream eye gloss formula offers a high pigment payoff with even application in one stroke. The eye glosses provide a glossy shine with the diamond sparkle from the 100% authentic, sustainably sourced diamond powder for maximum sparkle and minimal shimmer fallout. Retails for $23. I'm going to do a quick swatch of them, just because I'm intrigued. They look kind of like the Stila Glitter and Glows that I really like, but except these also have like a duochrome to them. There's without that box. I don't know if that helps see any better. There we go. So they're very pretty. Right away though, I noticed that the blue is not as opaque as the other two shades. It's more of like a, I guess you would call it a topper, unless maybe you let it dry and then do another coat, because you could see the glitters, but there's not like that pigment behind it as much as the other two. So you can see there the blue is the one in the middle, and all you really see is the glitter pieces. But they're still really pretty. I can't wait to try those. Then next we have by Complex Culture their Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager. There's what it is. It's just like one of those face tools. Now that, I'm not going to take it out or anything, because I'm going to put it in either my giveaway bin for my upcoming giveaway or my gift box. I haven't really decided yet if I want to give it to someone I know as a gift or put it in the giveaway, but either way I just don't need it because I have so many. Like I literally have one here already. So I don't need another one. And next we have by Tarte their Goshen Skin Perfector. And that's another one that I'm going to put in my giveaway / gift bin. I just don't need it. I have plenty of primers. So that one, it says get a lit from within look with this instant complexion perfector. Inspired by magical glow effect of bioluminescence, it gives a natural luminous glow onto skin with micronized pearls that reflect light to blur imperfections. The 4-in-1 complexion perfector works to prime and extend makeup wear, hide imperfections, glow and brighten. Retails for $32. Then we have another one that's going to go in that same gift / giveaway bin. So I already have this. It's the Verb Ghost Oil. It's with smoothing moringa blend weightless hair oil. They gave us a 2-ounce bottle of that. Says this weightless hair oil revitalizes strands from root to ends. Powered by moringa oil, this blend works to hydrate and fight frizz. It's proven to enhance shine by 75% in a third-party lab testing setting after applying to dry human hair fibers. It retails for $18. Said I do already have it. It does work great. I really like it, especially on my ends when they get dry, to apply them there, and it really does help kind of fight that frizz and smooth everything out, and it smells good. The next thing I have is by Bloom Effects. It's their Tulip Dew Mist. It says it's a hydrating mist. Don't know if this is supposed to be a setting spray or a hairspray or what. It's a multitasking face mist. that delivers a brightening boost of antioxidants, plant extracts, and vitamins B3, C, D, and E to revitalize, refresh, and energize. It's designed to work as a humectant to prevent moisture loss, plus it's formulated with environmentally conscious BOV technology, perfect on bare skin, over makeup, or throughout the day as an awakened skin pick-me-up. Retails for $34. I think this will go in that giveaway / gift bin too, because I just have quite a few dewy setting sprays right now, and that's what I would use this for. I don't really use mist that often without having makeup on, and I just don't feel like I need another one. I have the Fenty Dew Spray and the Anastasia one that I'm trying to work through now that are still pretty new to me, so I don't want to have another one open. I just don't like to have that many products that I've opened and started using at one time, so I'll put that in there. And I think this is our last thing. It's Beauty Bakery, their Milk and Honey Highlighter Palette. Cute packaging. Looks like kind of like a beehive. And there's what it looks like. You know what? This is going to be another gift / giveaway item because there's only one shade in there I would even use. So I feel like someone else can get a lot more use out of it than me. So this box was a major win for you guys because I'm only keeping one item. And it's not because I don't like the items, it's just because I don't really need them. So I'm at that point with the makeup I have where I'm kind of on overload. So I'm trying to not take in unnecessary items at this point to add to my collection. Unless it's something I really want to try or like do a video with, of course. But the premium. That answers our question too. I didn't even look at that at first. Now to Luxe, which is this big one. So there's that new card I mentioned earlier where now it says fall box and has like a fall theme. So I think they're switching more to like a seasonal theme for these, but I'm not sure. And the first thing I have is another one I'm going to put in the giveaway. This one is by Cobb Cosmetics. It's their contour palette. And I'll open it quickly to show you the shades, but I'm not going to touch it or anything. But there's the shades. So you have like setting powders, brightening powders, and contour / bronzer powders. And again, I just don't need another palette like this. For that one, it says this matte contour palette contains 8 silky powders that blend effortlessly onto the skin for perfect contour every time. Use the darker shades for a chiseled, striking contour and the lighter shades under your eyes and other high points of the face for an instant lifting effect. It retails for $60. I thought Cab was supposed to be a more affordable brand, but it says $60. Next we have by Froze their Hya Activated Lip Scrub. This, once again, is another one for giveaway / gift bin. Just don't need another scrub. For that, it says, show your lips some much needed love with the scrub of the gods. This iconic Froze lip scrub is activated with hyaluronic acid and essential oils to hydrate, exfoliate, and lift. Made from sugar, strawberry seed oil, jojoba oil, and shea extract. Retails for $16. By The Lifestyle Co. a bamboo body polish. Says it's 100% natural. This one I'm excited to try. I love body scrubs, especially either before or when taking off your self-tanner. They really come in handy. So that one says, this polish has sustainable bamboo stem extract to achieve gentle physical exfoliation for self-care needs. Bamboo stem extract is derived from the interior portion of the plant and provides excellent exfoliation. Jojoba oil delivers essential fatty acids and is quickly absorbed into the skin, helping it feel softer and more nourished. Keep it in the fridge for anti-inflammatory effects and to boost circulation. Retails for $49. $49 is a hefty price for this small of a bottle. It's 4 ounces, so. Then we have by the new Co. their Immunity Defense Drops. It says it's an herbal supplement. Says your first line of defense against getting sick. This immune boosting liquid tincture contains a blend of adaptogenic herbs and immunomodulating extracts with naturally antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Use at the first sign of a scratchy throat or sneeze to help support your body's immune response. Retails for $35. That's something new and different, I guess, for the box, but kind of odd at the same time. Next one is by Saturday Skin, their Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. Oh, it has really cool, like, holographic packaging. I'm guessing it's like a moisturizer of some sort. Oh, yeah, looks like it. The soft and luxurious whipped cream with encapsulated probiotics activated by prebiotics for healthy and radiant looking skin. Retails for $57. Doesn't really say it's a moisturizer, but I guess that's what it's supposed to be. And then we have by Iconic London their Triple Threat Mascara. It's in the shade black, which is good. Plain gold packaging with their logo on it. Nothing spectacular. I do need a new mascara, so I'm going to go ahead and see what the wand looks like. I don't know if I like it or not. It's one of those hard plastic wands, and it doesn't have like very many spikes on it, so I don't know if it's something I'll like, but we shall see. Fed up with falsies? Meet the gold standard of mascaras, an ultra black stunning weightless formula that volumizes, lengthens, and lifts lashes all day and night for a dramatic fluttery look. The easy to handle slim brush gets right to the root of your lashes for an instant smoldering, fuller lash line, while the dense bristles separate and coat lashes evenly with deep black intense fullness and length. The best alternative to false lashes. Sounds promising, but a lot of mascaras do, and then when you use them, it's not what they say. It's for $26, so I'll have to try that and see how it goes. And then the last thing that I see here is by Adagio, California. It's a not so mini ceramic flat iron. This is going to go in the giveaway for you guys, so stay tuned. I have a couple of flat irons already. I don't need another. The flat iron features 100% ceramic plates that radiate for infrared heat, helping to minimize damage to the hair. The unique floating plates design allows you to smoothly straighten and style hair, resulting in shiny, silky, no frizz, manageable hair with unlimited styling potential. Retails for $99 and says it's a Boxy exclusive. So overall, guys, this month the boxes weren't bad at all. I like the range of products that we got. You know, it wasn't just strictly skincare, even though there were quite a few skincare items. We still got makeup and then hair and then this random immunity boost. You guys came out good. There's a lot of items I'm going to stick in the giveaway / gift bin, and like I said, stay tuned to the next few videos. I'll have that coming soon. If you enjoy these types of videos and you aren't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy the video and turn on that notification bell so you're notified when I upload videos and you won't miss that giveaway. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.